Question 13. A survey of 201 students provide a sample mean of 7.10 hours worked. What is a 95% confidence interval based on the sample? Okay, based from question 12, we know that the margin of error is 0.695, and what they gave us was x bar is equal to 7.10. Okay, so that is our sample mean. Now, the reason that we need these two items is because we're looking for a confidence interval. Now, I have two confidence intervals to choose from, either this one or this one. Now, the information they gave me was a sample mean and the margin of error. This right here, this would be the sample proportion and the margin of error. And this right here, this is the sample mean and the margin of error. So that means that I need to use this formula right here. Okay, and then you just plug in your numbers. So 7.10 minus 0.695 less than mu less than 7.10 plus 0.695. Okay, so we get 6.405 less than mu less than 7.795. And that would be our final answer.